Welcome back to another video. Androfud v4.0 is ready to use. We update some features and also update exe. New workflow guide. Directly renew from exe and send payment proof to owner on WhatsApp or Telegram. Your name, wallet address, account info, and payment screenshot sent to the owner. Multiple languages available like Chinese, Russian, Maxian, Vietnamese, Portuguese, and Turkish. Now, we log in the Androfud account, or start the APK-FUD process. In right side, you also read the using manual, or also watch the demo video. Okay, select your non-dropper APK which you want to make the FUD. Click on Send to protect the APK. Will be sent to server for FUD. Okay, here you select the dropper UI style, which you use into dropper. Wait for processing and then click on Send APK. Now wait for 3 minutes to complete the process. Choose your dropper APK name. Now select the dropper APK icon. Now wait 2 minutes for complete the process. Now our APK is ready to use. Go to Androfud folder and open the download folder. Here you see your APK name folder in which you get your FUD APK. Wait, I do live installation in my phone which is Android 17. In my phone Play Protect is enabled, and this device is Google Pixel 8. I direct install in my phone and scan the APK. It's not detected.